Hello, food lovers! Welcome to another exciting culinary journey. Today, we journey to the heart of India, a land of diverse cultures and flavors, to the vibrant city of Hyderabad, renowned for its rich culinary heritage and bustling markets. We're about to unlock the secrets of a beloved dish, Hyderabadi Baghara Baingan, a true gem of Indian cuisine. This flavorful and aromatic eggplant curry is sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Now, don't let the exotic name intimidate you. It's simpler than you think. This recipe is surprisingly easy to make, even for beginner cooks. With a few basic ingredients and simple steps, we've simplified the process, focusing on quick preparation without compromising on the authentic flavors that make this dish special. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a dish that's as impressive as it is delicious. Imagine the joy on their faces as they savor each bite. So let's gather our ingredients, roll up our sleeves, and embark on this culinary adventure together. Your kitchen is about to be filled with the delightful aromas of Hyderabad. Before we begin, let's gather our culinary arsenal. This is a crucial step to ensure we have everything we need at our fingertips, making the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Here's what you'll need to create this Hyderabadi masterpiece. For the eggplants, 2 medium-sized eggplants, preferably firm and fresh. Eggplants are the star of this dish, so choose ones that are shiny and free from blemishes. 3 tablespoons of oil, I prefer peanut or sunflower oil for their high smoke point, and salt to taste. The oil helps in frying the eggplants to a perfect golden brown, while the salt enhances the flavors. For the masala paste, 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Onions add a sweet and savory base to our masala paste, providing depth to the curry. A 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and roughly chopped. Ginger brings a warm, spicy undertone that complements the other spices beautifully. 4 cloves of garlic, peeled. Garlic adds a pungent aromatic flavor that is essential in Indian cooking. 2 green chilies, roughly chopped, adjust to your spice preference. Green chilies add a fresh, sharp heat to the dish, but you can adjust the quantity based on your tolerance for spice. Half a cup of fresh cilantro leaves. Cilantro adds a burst of freshness and a hint of citrusy flavor to the masala paste. A 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves provide a cooling effect and a unique aroma that balances the heat from the chilies, and a 1/4 cup of water for grinding. This helps in blending all the ingredients into a smooth paste, which is the heart of our Baghara Baingan. For the curry, 2 tablespoons of oil. This is for sautéing the spices and the masala paste, creating a rich and flavorful base for the curry. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds add a nutty, earthy flavor and are often used in tempering to release their aromatic oils. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. This onion will be sautéed until golden brown, adding sweetness and depth to the curry. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric adds a vibrant yellow color and a warm, slightly bitter flavor that is quintessential in Indian cuisine. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust to your spice preference. This adds heat and a deep red color to the curry. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Coriander powder adds a mild citrusy flavor that complements the other spices. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. Garam masala is a blend of ground spices that adds warmth and complexity to the dish. 1 cup of tomato puree. Tomato puree adds acidity and sweetness, balancing the spices. Half a cup of water to adjust the consistency of the curry, and salt to taste to enhance all the flavors. Our journey begins with the star ingredient, the eggplant. This versatile vegetable is known for its rich, meaty texture and ability to absorb flavors beautifully. We want to cook it in a way that highlights its natural sweetness and creamy texture. When prepared correctly, eggplants can be the highlight of any dish, adding depth and richness. First, wash the eggplants thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, pat them dry with a clean towel to ensure they are ready for the next step. Next, make a slit lengthwise through each eggplant, about halfway deep. This step is crucial as it allows the flavors to penetrate the flesh as it cooks, ensuring every bite is flavorful. This will allow the flavors to penetrate the flesh as it cooks. The slits also help the eggplant cook more evenly, making it tender and delicious. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. The oil should be hot but not smoking to ensure the eggplants cook evenly without burning. Carefully place the eggplants in the hot oil. Be cautious as the oil may splatter. Arrange them in a single layer to ensure even cooking. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, turning occasionally until they're tender and lightly browned. This process helps to bring out the eggplant's natural flavors and gives it a beautiful golden color. Once cooked, remove the eggplants from the pan and set them aside to cool. Letting them cool slightly will help the flavors to settle and make them easier to handle for the next steps in your recipe. While the eggplants cool, we'll create the heart of our dish, the aromatic masala paste. In a blender or food processor, combine the chopped onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies, cilantro leaves, mint leaves, and water. Blend everything into a smooth paste. This vibrant green mixture holds the key to the authentic flavors of Hyderabadi Baghara Baingan. Set the paste aside for now, ready to work its magic in our curry,